Here I have OPPO Reno4 Z 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the display and brightness section, and here you have the eye comfort. So here you can switch this mode, here you can change its temperature, you can set it like to be colorful, or you can just set it to be black and white for more eye protection, because colors on the display are not healthy for you. And you can also add a schedule for it here. Here you can select the start time, and here you can select the end time. And you can also switch this mode here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.